Welcome to the Roland DG stand for PacPrint 2017. I'm Greg Stone, Product and Marketing Manager for Roland DG Australia. So at PacPrint we're actually launching the new Cam 1 GR series cutters, the latest in our Cam 1 Pro series range. So it's actually been around 10 years since we've updated this particular product range. And obviously Roland is synonymous with cutting technology and have been manufacturing and developing cut devices for many years. So they've really taken, I guess, what we've learnt over those years and delivered some very handy advancements with the latest GR models. So some of the features, you've got increased cutting speed, so over 1.4 meters per second, which is actually the fastest cutting speed in this particular class. You have increased cutting pressure, so up to 600 grams of force, which opens up a wider range of materials and applications, from reflective vinyls to cardboard for packaging prototyping, through to things like flock for heat transfer applications. So really, opening up a broad range of applications and opportunities for customers there. What you've also got is not only your standard contour cutting, you've also got perforation cutting options. So you've got two different blade positions and a perforated cutting channel, which allows you to not only contour cut through the surface material, but also right through the backing, as you can see on the reflective material there. And if you scoot over onto the packaging prototypes, you can see there we've run these off on one of our UV printers, applying some gloss layers, and then not only perforated cutting through the material itself, but you can also apply crease lines, and you can score material as well. So again, really opening up some pretty exciting opportunities with these cutters. So another focus for Roland DG is retail solutions, and really tapping into the personalization or customization markets across a number of our technologies. So the first one here we have is our UV LEF 200, which was a recent update to our LEF 20. So as I said, really tapping into the personalization market there. You can see we're printing off some metallic power banks for your mobile devices, and utilizing jigs and templates, you can really maximize the amount of room on the print bed, so you can print multiple objects for short run production. So as with all of our UV technology, the surfaces you can actually print to are really limitless, so from metals and glass and wood through to leathers. So yeah, really broad range of applications you can tap into with the UV technology there. Then we've got the BN20, which is a very popular model. It's been around for a number of years, a good entry-level print and cut unit. We're showcasing some heat transfer stock here. Again, a very popular market for Roland DG, so going into custom apparel and other customization markets. And lastly, we've got the MPX 95, which is a recent model in our Mataza lineup. So going into metal marking and engraving. So we're doing some custom USB drives here, but you can also open up onto a range of different pendants, putting photographic images and also engraved text. And the new MPX 95 again, I guess, expands upon the Mataza series, allowing you to work with larger objects by having a removable base plate here. So not only utilizing the center vise, but you can also detach that, and as I said, use larger objects or irregular shaped objects. So yeah, you can work with a wider range of objects and materials with this latest model. So we're now inside the Roland Mobile Imagination Centre. So this was an initiative we launched late last year, where we take our creative centre and Roland Clinic concepts on the road and get out to regional customers in regional Australia, all across the country. So as I said, it's really about taking some of those services that we offer in our Melbourne and Sydney facilities and really getting out to our regional database. So you can see we're showcasing some of our latest technology, from our TrueViz VG series printer cutters to our Versa UV LEF 300. But not only that, we also showcase a number of applications across all our technologies, from UV, dye sublimation, eco-solvent engraving. So really getting out and showing what is capable with Roland devices. And not only that, we also offer Roland Clinic, as I mentioned. So we have product specialists that go around with the Mobile Imagination Centre providing support. We have all our software, so people can come in and spend some time with the specialists and work through any workflow queries that they may have. So this is actually about to hit the road and take in parts of regional Victoria as of next week. And then we've also got dates and locations scheduled for far north Queensland and across to Western Australia later in the year. And we'll actually be running the MIC right through 2018. And we'll be putting in some more, or scheduling in some more locations and dates. So we've actually got a dedicated website, imaginationcentre.com.au, where you can head, register your attendance, you can request a visit from the MIC, and you can also get up-to-date information on all the dates and locations that are coming up. So finally, we've got the Soljet EJ640, which is really our production level print-only machine. So I guess the major benefits of this, besides the speed and the quality, is really all about the running costs. So we've introduced 1 litre cartridges specific to the EJ, and when you take the price tag, $195 per litre, the per mil rate down to sort of 19 cents, and then you combine that with the actual ink consumption costs, the EJ is really ahead of any competitor models in this space. So again, it's not only about how fast a printer is or how good the quality is. It really comes down to how much it costs, and something that's very important to our customers, and something Roland always works on when coming up with a new model. And not only for the show, but for the coming months, we've got a new special price with the EJ for $29,995, all inclusive with your dryer and your take-up unit. But also we've got bundle packages with the new GR series cutters as well. So for those people that will prefer a separate print and cut workflow, can combine it with the latest GR series cutter technology, for a separate print cut workflow. We're also showcasing some imagery and content from BJR, or Brad Jones Racing, who we sponsor, who actually use the EJ in their workshop to produce all their V8 supercar liveries. And you can see from some of the imagery there, the quality is certainly pretty amazing. So that's the EJ640.